now we're going to be doing 2b, number 16. And I've spread this out so far, I'm having a hard time getting it on my little camera. But notice once again, in order to add these, you have to have a common denominator. Now, this is kind of weird, but this guy has an x plus 1. This guy, he wants an x plus 1. So go ahead, it's a team, put him in parentheses, but what you do on the bottom, you got to do it on the top. So notice, since it's got a little plus sign in here, I'm going to group it. I'm going to have to put parentheses around it. Now, this guy over here is like, hey, he's got a y. I want a y too. So again, we're going to have to group him. Sorry. But this a y. Again, who cares if you put the y in behind or if you put the y in the front? Doesn't really matter. But I'm going to give the top a y as well. So here's what we've got. Now both my denominators are the same. They both have an x plus 1. They both have a y. So hopefully you can kind of see that. So I can write it as one fraction. So I'm just going to give me one big fraction bar. I've got my common denominator on the bottom. X plus 1 is 1 and y is the other. And again, I don't care if you put the y in the front. It does not change a thing. What do we get in the numerator? Let's look. Right here, you're going to have to use the distribution property. You're going to get x times x, which is x squared. So I'm going to come over here and write x squared. Here, you're going to get x times 1, which is a boring x. And we are adding, and what do you get when you multiply these two together? 3y squared. So we're getting plus 3y squared. We extend that little line out. And that is it. That is your beautiful answer.